right down in there. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. What I'm doing for the next 5 days.
But am I the only one that always forgets to put it down in the low?
I heard it, and for whatever reason, I kept going driving. Flipping you back to the crappy angle. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, thanks to these guys.
I think I got some pucker spots on my feet. Sorry again for the crappy angle, but damn near straight up. And now we are at the escalator. You know what I mean? Because I just can't see it.
No, you can't see it right there, and that's why your rear end would have fallen down in.
Unfortunately, my spotter, and if you go any more further that way, it's even deeper. Again with the terrible angle. Come on, dude. So behind me on the driver's side, it's just a matter of knowing your vehicle. Knowing number one thing I think is you got to follow the right line.